Welcome to Inver Grove Honda, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Ford Pass Connect, exterior parking camera with dynamic hitch assist, Sirius XM satellite radio, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, auto high beam headlamp control, heated door mirrors, keyless entry, chrome bumpers, and has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Since 2008, Inver Grove Honda has been dedicated to delivering an exceptional car buying experience. We have committed all available resources to ensure you will have a great selection to choose from at a great price. Each vehicle goes through a rigorous safety inspection and is quality checked by our senior certified master technicians. Plus, most of our pre-owned vehicles come with our exclusive Courtesy Care maintenance plan, which includes 5 oil and filter changes, free tire rotations, roadside assistance, and much more.